Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose App Management, then click on App Permissions and select one of your phone's features or one of your apps. I will go with features, so for example when I click on Location and then select Facebook, I have those three options: Always, Never or While Using. I want to select Always, so I have to tap on it, and as you can see, Facebook just gained access to my device location. If you wish to deny it, just select Never. But you can also go back, pick one of your apps and manage all permissions for it, like Prime Video. Then click on the switcher, for example next to SMS one, to enable or disable access to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!